Alright, y'all, so you're gonna fill your pot halfway with water, salt it generously, add your noodles, spread it out so that it won't stick together. After that's done, rinse your noodles with cold water. Chop up some onion and garlic, put that in a pot, season it with whatever seasoning you want. Grill it to caramelize. Add your choice of ground meat. I added chopped beef. I seasoned that with whatever seasoning that I wanted. I mixed that all together. Then I added my sauce of choice. I added 2 jars of ragu sauce. I seasoned that with whatever seasoning I want. Then I'm going to make my ricotta mix. I put 1 pack of ricotta cheese, mozzarella cheese, fresh parsley, fresh scallion. I seasoned that with garlic powder and onion powder, and I mixed that all together. I also added 1 egg. So now we're going to add the sauce, 1 layer of sauce at the bottom of the pan so that the noodles will not stick. Sorry guys, my baby is crying in the background. So you're gonna put a pretty thick layer of your meat sauce, like so. And then next up, we're going to add our noodles. And then we're going to put a layer of our ricotta mix, and then we're going to spread that out. I did it a little sloppy, but it doesn't matter because the sauce is gonna, get on it anyway. We actually don't like a lot of ricotta, in our lasagna. So that's why I'm going to put some of the meat sauce on top of this ricotta, just to make it a little more juicier. As you can see right here. And I just fed her. Yeah, so this is taking a little while, but just add your meat sauce on top. I actually wind up mixing my ricotta mixture in with the meat sauce, as I always do, because I don't add any more layers of ricotta, so I just mix it in with the sauce to get that taste, but it's still juicy because it's mixed in with the sauce. Instead of adding like 2 layers of ricotta, I just mix the ricotta mixture with the sauce and add the rest of the layers. And this is what it looks like before I put it in the oven, and this is the finishing product. So as you can see, I leave it until it's crispy around the edges. This is how my husband likes it, so I try to make all my meals according to how my family likes it. And and this is the finishing plate. I added a side of freshly tossed salad, and I made some garlic bread, and bon appetit.